backing line to our reel, and then the backing line to our fly line, and the line through this. Anyway, we are going to do 2 grabs around, 1 and 2, because this is going to give a nice solid anchor. So I'm going to use my index finger to put them both together. Then I'm going to use this end to grab around both, and I'm going to do that 6 times. So I pick 1, and I already have this hole here, so 2 and 3. And now I'm going to pull from this, and I'm going to make it nice and tight, but not super tight, because now instead of like pulling from this side, what I want is to slide. So it's going to slide to the back end. It's going to slide to the reel, and now I can like make pressure. There we go. Now it's nice and tight there. Cut the excess. I'm going to keep on doing this. It's pretty even. I don't know if you can tell. It's pretty even. And now for the last connection, I'm going to use my welded loop. All fly lines these days come with a welded loop, and I'm going to use the end of my backing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come from behind, and I'm going to go through, and then I'm going to go up, and then come around, and then I'm going to use like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 grabs. And then as I come back, I'm going to just like get this, and I'm going to put it back out. This is coming down from the line, and then I'm going to use it back through the loop. And I'm going to hold it here with the other end of the bag. And then I'm just going to pull. I'm going to pull. And then as this comes up, is going to strangle the strand. And it's going to make a nice and tight stop right there. That's it. Just now start feeding your spool. Easy peasy.